Welcome to our aircraft factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how airplanes were built during World War II. Step by step, help the war effort. Subscribe today.
These presses create the lightweight yet strong aluminum ribs, critical for giving our wartime aircraft the advantage in joints. Every aircraft was hand-assembled and carefully aligned. Every plane was tested before heading to the front.
And that's how airplanes were built during World War II. With skill, speed, and determination.